We are diving deep into everything you need to start crushing content, repurposing in 2025, turning your long-form videos into non-stop short-form traffic, even if you are starting completely from zero. If you are creating any kind of long-form content, there is an absolute mountain of untapped viral moments hidden inside every single recording. Just 1 hour-long recording can be transformed into 20 to 50 microvideos, each carrying the potential to find a massive audience. Social platforms like TikTok and Reels inherently reward high-frequency publishing, giving you more shots at a viral success and better algorithmic learning. Repurposing is the essential key that allows you to meet your audience where they already live, craving bite-sized, emotion-first content without having to record fresh videos every single day. I'll be real, repurposing can either be the secret sauce that makes your creator business explode or the absolute quickest way to bury yourself in forgettable, low-quality clips. The massive upside is saving time, dramatically increasing your output volume, and getting more real-world test data on what truly resonates with people. The major downside comes from creative fatigue and consistently sloppy execution, which the algorithm will certainly notice and ignore. Don't forget the basic logistical hurdles like correctly formatting thumbnails, managing captions, and maintaining strict quality control over your audio and video. However, if you commit to building one solid, reliable system, the payoff in growth becomes almost ridiculously large. Okay, let's get your core workflow perfectly set up by first choosing the absolute best hub tool for your scaling efforts. Ideally, you want a single tool that can intelligently find the best moments, format platform-ready clips, including captions, and finally, manage your entire posting calendar. In my experience, the single biggest time saver is avoiding the need to constantly toggle between half a dozen different separate applications. For onboarding, the very first step is signing up with a professional email and securely connecting all of your publishing accounts like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Crucially, make sure you grant the necessary permissions so the tool can either publish your content directly or prepare clean drafts for your final approval. Next, you must import all of your source material, whether that's Zoom recordings, YouTube uploads, stream VODs, or raw camera files. For the absolute best results, always upload the highest quality audio and video you possess because the AI performs significantly better with clean raw data. Once the video is imported, you need to run the automated edit, with the primary goal being to extract 7 to 12 truly solid clips from that single long video. We aim for that specific range because the algorithms crave volume, but ultimately, overall quality will always be the factor that makes or breaks performance. A good practice is to let the AI flag candidate clips initially, and then spend a few moments quickly reviewing and trimming them to perfection. You must actively look for strong emotional beats, moments of genuine humor, clear educational takeaways, and anything that presents a strong hook in the opening seconds. Establish a strong rule of thumb to aim for a diverse variety pack from every single long-form upload, including educational, personality, and direct CTA-focused content. This calculated mix ensures you get both immediate viewer engagement and necessary traffic funneled back to your main video or your core product offering. Never underestimate the power of your captions, as punchy and emotionally loaded copy is what actually sells the viewer on staying past the first second. For thumbnails, consistently select a high contrast frame, add only one piece of very short text, and keep the style consistent so your brand is instantly recognizable. When it comes to scheduling frequency, the best starting point is to be completely predictable, ideally committing to at least 1 or 2 high-quality clips every single day. The single greatest win I've seen for creators comes from shifting away from ad hoc posting to a proactive, calendar-based approach that stabilizes your learning curve. As you start publishing, watch your retention metrics closely, understanding that anything over 30% viewed is decent, but 45% plus is truly strong. If a clip has high retention but low clicks, you need to immediately go back and refine the caption or the call to action language. For beginners, I recommend uploading 1 long video per week, extracting 10 to 15 clips, and scheduling them strategically across the following 10 to 14 days. When you find that winning formula, scaling involves simply increasing your input volume and building out a fully functional content production machine around it. This scaling effort means dedicating time for batch recording, getting a small team to review AI-picked clips, and templating all your captions and thumbnails to avoid rework. If your core engagement and retention metrics drop after an increase, you must immediately pause growth and double down on creative testing to find the next winner. Pitfall number 1 is the flawed belief that one single viral post is ever going to fix all your long-term growth issues. Another common mistake is over-polishing your clips, because true authenticity with the natural audio often outperforms anything that looks too slick or overly produced. Creators also tank their reach by ignoring platform-specific rules, forgetting that a great TikTok hook might need significant caption or cropping tweaks for YouTube Shorts. Poor metadata, which means weak captions, no hashtags, and truly lazy thumbnails, will absolutely destroy the potential reach of even your best content. Finally, letting your daily posting schedule slide is the fastest way to kill all the hard-earned momentum you built up over the previous weeks. The friction caused by constantly hopping between different tools is subtle, but it severely slows down your overall iteration speed and inflates your monthly operating costs. Having a single platform that can auto-detect viral moments, optimize clips, and then automatically schedule them turns repurposing into a true production line, not a random creative sprint. Remember that automation is never a true substitute for good creative taste, as you still need to choose the best hooks and craft captions that authentically match your unique voice. Regarding copyright, be smart about your music choices by leaning on platform-licensed audio or the built-in libraries provided by your chosen editing solution. An advanced technique is treating every single long video like a controlled testing lab where you label clips with clear hypotheses about why they might succeed. When a clip inevitably blows up, immediately create and drop response content within 24 to 48 hours to fully capitalize on the current algorithmic wave. To manage the fulfillment side, organize your raw files by date and episode, and export a clean CSV log of every clip with its performance notes attached. Here is your exact action list. Take your next recording, upload it to the hub, let the AI generate candidates, and schedule the best variety mix over the next 2 weeks. If you follow this system consistently for just a few weeks, you will naturally build a backlog of daily content without ever having to sit down and record another fresh video. This is genuinely the single highest leverage activity you can perform right now to guarantee sustained growth in your creator business. I've linked a longer workshop below that walks through a full example. And remember to choose a tool that gives you that completely frictionless flow between editing and scheduling. That is the complete playbook for transforming your long-form assets into short-form gold for the current year. So now it is absolutely your turn to execute. Upload a video, let the AI select the clips, schedule everything out, and start testing your way to consistent traffic. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.